In our hyper-connected world, every click, search, and scroll leaves a digital footprint. Whether we're shopping online, liking a post, or simply browsing the news, our actions are quietly recorded and stored. These invisible traces form a digital shadow that follows us everywhere we go online, growing larger with every interaction. Companies you've never heard of collect and analyze this data, building detailed profiles about you. They know your habits, your interests, even your routines, sometimes better than your closest friends. This information is bought, sold, and traded in a vast digital marketplace, often without your knowledge or consent. We trade privacy for convenience, rarely questioning what we give up. The apps and services we rely on make life easier, but the cost is often hidden. We accept terms and conditions without reading them, not realizing how much of ourselves we're handing over in exchange for access. But privacy is a fundamental human right, online and offline. It's about having control over your own story, your own data, and your own life. Without privacy, our choices and freedoms can be quietly eroded bit by bit. Losing digital privacy means losing autonomy. We become products, our behaviors sold to the highest bidder. Our preferences, fears, and even our vulnerabilities are packaged and monetized, shaping the ads we see and the opportunities we're offered, or denied. For some, anonymity is life or death. Journalists, activists, and those living under oppressive regimes rely on digital privacy to stay safe. For them, exposure can mean persecution, imprisonment, or worse. For most, it's protection from scams, identity theft, and constant surveillance. It's about keeping our finances, our identities, and our personal lives secure from those who would exploit them. My journey began with a question. Can an ordinary person reclaim digital privacy? I wondered if it was possible to take back control, to draw boundaries in a world that constantly pushes them. I embarked on a 60-day experiment with anonymous operating systems to find out. I wanted to see if I could live online without leaving a trail, and what it would take to truly protect my digital life. This wasn't about hiding. It was about protecting what matters. It was about understanding the value of privacy and learning how to defend it in a world that's always watching. Most operating systems, Windows, macOS, Android, aren't built for privacy. They're designed for convenience, connectivity, and user experience, but that often comes at the cost of your personal data. Every click, search, and login can be tracked, logged, and sometimes even sold to advertisers or third parties. If you're concerned about surveillance or simply want to keep your digital life private, you need something different. Anonymous operating systems, like Tails and Whonix, are designed to shield your identity and activity. They go far beyond the privacy settings you'll find in mainstream systems, offering tools and features built from the ground up for anonymity. Their secret weapon? The Tor network, which routes your internet traffic through multiple encrypted relays worldwide. This process scrambles your digital footprint, making it extremely difficult for anyone, hackers, corporations, or even governments, to trace your online activity back to you. This makes tracing your activity nearly impossible. Your real location and identity are hidden behind layers of encryption and random relays, giving you a level of privacy that's hard to achieve elsewhere. These systems are amnesic. They forget everything when shut down, leaving no trace on your device. Once you power off, it's as if you were never there. No browsing history, no saved files, no evidence left behind. Tails runs from a USB stick, perfect for portability, and leaving no evidence. You can carry it in your pocket, plug it into almost any computer, and instantly have a secure, anonymous workspace wherever you go. Whonix uses virtual machines to isolate your activities, creating a digital fortress inside your computer. By separating your work into different virtual environments, it keeps your real system safe from leaks and attacks. Over 60 days, I lived with both to see if true online anonymity is possible. I tested them in real-world situations, at home, in cafes, and on the go, to find out how they hold up under daily use. Each system takes a unique approach, but both aim for the same goal: reclaiming your digital privacy. Whether you're a journalist, activist, or just privacy conscious, these tools offer a powerful way to protect yourself online. Let's see how they work in practice and discover which one might be right for you. Tails, the Amnesic Incognito Live system, runs entirely from a USB stick. Plug it in, boot up, and you're in a secure private environment. Unplug, and it leaves no trace. Every connection is forced through Tor, masking your location and identity. Tails comes preloaded with privacy-focused tools: Tor browser, encrypted email, secure messaging, and file encryption. Its curated apps prevent accidental leaks, making it beginner-friendly. You can use Tails on almost any computer, library, cafe, or friend's laptop, turning it into a secure workstation. For convenience, Tails offers encrypted, persistent storage, letting you save files and settings safely. It's the perfect balance of privacy and usability. Setting up Tails is easier than you'd think, even if you've never installed an operating system before. With just a bit of preparation, you'll be up and running in no time. To get started, you'll need 2 empty USB sticks, at least 8 GB each, and a reliable internet connection. These are the only physical tools required for the process. Head to the official Tails website and download the latest Tails image. It's important to always use the official site to avoid tampered files. Once downloaded, verify the image using the provided instructions. This step ensures your download hasn't been altered and keeps you safe from potential threats. Next, use a tool like Balena Etcher or Rufus to flash the Tails image onto your first USB stick. These programs are free and make the process straightforward, even for beginners. After flashing, restart your computer and boot from the USB drive. You might need to access your computer's boot menu, usually by pressing a key like F12 or ESC during startup. Once Tails loads, use the built-in Tails installer to clone the system onto your second USB stick. This step creates your final, secure Tails drive. Now, restart again and boot from the second USB. You're now running Tails, a privacy-focused operating system designed to leave no trace. The entire process usually takes less than an hour, and you don't need any advanced technical skills. Just follow each step carefully and you'll be fine. If you ever feel unsure, the official Tails installation guide is detailed and easy to follow, with screenshots and troubleshooting tips for every stage. Once installed, Tails becomes your portable, secure operating system. You can use it on almost any computer, at home, in a cafe, or while traveling, without leaving any trace behind. When you're done, simply shut down, remove your USB, and walk away. Tails leaves no evidence on the computer you used, just pure privacy and peace of mind. With just a small investment of time and effort, you gain a powerful tool for digital security and anonymity. Tails puts you in control of your privacy wherever you go. After Tails, I tried Whonix, a fortress built inside your computer using virtual machines. Whonix splits your system into 2 VMs: the gateway, which connects to Tor, and the workstation, where you do your work. The workstation can't access the internet directly. All traffic must go through the gateway. Even if malware infects your workstation, your real IP stays hidden. This dual VM setup blocks leaks and isolates threats. Whonix is ideal for those needing persistent, long-term anonymity. It's not as portable as Tails, but it's incredibly robust. Security by isolation is Whonix's core strength. It's a digital bunker for your most sensitive activities. Setting up Whonix starts with installing VirtualBox, a free virtualization tool. Download the Whonix gateway and workstation files from the official site and verify them. Import both into VirtualBox. No complex setup required. Always start the gateway first to connect to Tor, then launch the workstation. The workstation looks like a regular Linux desktop, but all traffic is anonymized. This setup creates a secure, isolated environment for your digital life. Whonix's clear instructions make the process accessible, even for non-experts. In minutes, you have a powerful privacy fortress running on your own hardware. Tails and Whonix aren't the only privacy-focused operating systems. Qubes OS takes isolation further, dividing your digital life into separate, color-coded virtual machines. If one cube is compromised, the rest stay safe. Discreete Linux is built to protect against advanced surveillance, ideal for journalists and activists. Each system serves a different threat model. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Choose based on your needs, portability, persistent security, or compartmentalization. Exploring these options is key to digital sovereignty. The right OS empowers you to control your privacy. Anonymous operating systems are powerful, but your habits matter most. Strong, unique passwords are essential. Use a password manager to keep track. Secure your home Wi-Fi with strong encryption. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks. If you must use public networks, always connect through a VPN. Be mindful of what you share online. Less is more. Use encrypted messaging apps like Signal for private conversations. Consider email aliases to protect your real address. Every bit of withheld data is a win for your privacy. True privacy is a daily practice, not a one-time fix. Combine good habits with the right tools for real protection. My 60-day experiment changed how I see digital privacy. Tools like Tails and Whonix are accessible and powerful, but not a complete solution. Real privacy is holistic. Use the right OS, adopt strong habits, and stay critical of the services you use. It's not about disappearing. It's about controlling your digital identity. Every choice, blocking trackers, encrypting messages, using privacy-respecting systems, is a step toward empowerment. You don't have to start big. Try a password manager or encrypted chat app. Run Tails for an afternoon and feel the difference. Each small step increases your safety and control. In a world where data is currency, protecting your privacy is self-respect. Take back your digital life, one choice at a time.